Cairns, Queensland, Australia. Today, we're taking a road trip north to Hartley's Crocodile Adventures to get hands-on with some unique wildlife. While this location is known for, of course, crocodiles, and we'll get to that later, they also rescue and rehabilitate a variety of animals, including kangaroos, wallabies, and wombats. But the creature most in need of support due to population decline is the beloved koala bear. Our tour guide Ellie explains.
So there's a bit of a worry out in the wild. There's been a lot of land clearing happening because the human population is growing quite rapidly. The eucalypt forests that the koalas live in make the perfect place for people to build their houses because it's a perfect backyard to sort of hang out in. So we're starting to find that koalas can't travel as far as they would have in the past to find a mate to breed with. All of the populations down the east coast of Australia are very segregated. These three females we've got in this enclosure in particular were all wild-born koalas. They were all rescues as well. So they've gone through a trauma out in the wild. Someone's found them, they were rehabilitated and brought here into captivity. So there are breeding programs happening in captivity all over Australia to try and build up the numbers to sort of secure a population in case we do lose the ones out in the wild. There are also programs happening out in the wild to try and regenerate the eucalypt forests in particular locations, so hopefully we can see the numbers go back up.
It's always great to see passion for conservation, and come on, who wouldn't want to protect these adorable marsupials? Anyhow, as we wandered through the park, we found countless creatures to engage with. My favorite was probably the Komodo Dragon. I've seen them on TV, but that moment when one climbs on your lap and licks your face is about as surreal as life can get.
They got some serious claws.
Our final stop on this tour was to experience the park's namesake, crocodiles.
Where's the alligator?
We're looking for crocodiles. Look, I see one, Savvy. Do you see it slowly moving through the water?
They're one of our females.
Wow. Savvy, are you scared? A little bit nervous, huh?
They're the strongest predator on the planet out of any animal in the whole world. They've also got the strongest jaw pressure out of any animal in the whole world.
When are we going to feed?
We're going to head around the front and we're going to feed a few.
Let's see what's going on in here. So you're tapping in the water. Obviously, they see that this... Oh! Holy moly! Oh my gosh! That was really good. That was kind of scary. I wasn't expecting that. He just launched himself out of the water.
And that's what I'm talking about, that being that ambush predator, is you don't see them coming.
A lot of what happened today we didn't see coming.
What a fascinating place. This was so wonderful to bring the family. It was a little crazy with the kids, but to actually learn about Australia's wildlife and for my kids to learn about Australia's wildlife is really important to me. And being here today at Hartley's Crocodile Adventures was really a treat. It's not every day you actually get to be up close and personal with wildlife, and I think if a lot more people got out to places like this and got to meet the animals and got to be educated about them, we could do a lot more in regards to conservation and preservation, which is a really huge thing that I want to continue supporting, and it was just absolutely a great day.